Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2010 Acura MDX, we're going to be replacing the front sway bar links. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is jack the vehicle up, put it on jack stands, we'll pull our tire off. This repair is easiest with both sides jacked up at the same time. We're going to start with our upper nut. First thing we're going to do with it is take a drill with a wire brush. We're going to clean off these threads. Then we'll take a penetrating oil, spray it on the threads. If yours are extra rusty, it might be a good idea to let this soak overnight. Now we'll take a pick, we'll pick out the inside, just so our Allen will fit in there nice, blow it out, and then a 17mm wrench. Put the wrench on first, crack the nut. There we go. Back it out as much as we can. And then the center starts spinning on you. That's when we take our Allen, put our wrench on, put the Allen key in the middle, that'll hold it for us, and then we keep backing it out. An alternative method, if you have an impact and a pair of vice grips, we'll still clean off the threads, put a penetrant on it, but in the back, in front of the boot, there's a little stud. We'll take our vice grips, clamp down on that stud. That'll hold it for us, and then we can zip it out. Now mine came out really easy because I recently had it off to replace our strut. Now let's go down and take off the bottom nut. Because of where the bottom nut is, you can't really use an impact and it's harder to clean the threads, but we'll still use a penetrant. Take our socket and ratchet. My arm will probably be in your way, but we're just gonna bust it loose. I'm gonna set the camera up in a different spot so I can get access where you are. There we go. Ooh, this one's tight. There we go. All right, same thing. So the middle's spinning on us. I'll take the vice grips, put it in on that stud. We'll chomp down. Let me get this ratchet out of the way. Chomp down on it. Perfect. There we go. I'm just changing location so I can get a better bite. There we go. There, got it. Whew. All right, that's it. Wow, that put up a little fight. Let me back you out. I'd put the top back in, just a few threads to hold it. And that's it. So got this one out. Just for your reference, it's this stud here that I was clamping onto. So just right in front of the boot, there's that stud. Let me show you on the new one. They actually give you a spot for a 16mm wrench, which is pretty nice. Now we'll slide this in, put it in the bottom, and then we'll put it in the top. Throw on our nut. Same with the bottom. We'll put our 16mm in the back, and they still have an Allen key in the front if that works better for you. I'll just snug this down. There we go. We won't hammer it down, we'll torque it properly. Now we'll do the same thing to the bottom. And that's what's nice about the aftermarket. They're so much easier using the wrench. The torque is 58 foot-pounds. Torque this one, 58. Perfect. That is it. Good job. All right, that's how you can replace your front sway bar links on your MDX. Now these can be a bit of a challenge because they're exposed to the weather, they get corroded. They do have the Allen key in the front, so if that works for you, by all means use it. Otherwise, there's a few other methods like the vice grips with an impact. If it's really bad, you may have to use heat with a torch or just cut it off. I hope your repair goes well. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comments, post down below. See you on the next one.